beef and cheese manicotti. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded cooked chicken, salt, pepper, 1 jar salsa, 3 corn tortillas, 2 cups Monterey Jack cheese, grated, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 tomato chopped, sour cream. Directions: preheat oven to 375 degrees. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Set aside. Pour salsa in bottom of baking dish and spread around. Fill 3 tortillas with cheese, beans, tomato and chicken. Roll up. Place in baking dish and top with more salsa and more cheese. Bake for 30 minutes until bubbly. Serve with sour cream.